This is black. These are rooks. These are knights. They look like a horse because a knight would ride the horse. They go here. These are two knights for the other side. This is where they go at the beginning of a game. These are pawns. I'm putting these first. We call these pawns. And on this side, the white side, I put the pawns too. These are called bishop. I have two, but one, bishop on this side. This is the king, this is the queen. Queen goes here on this side, same color, and the king. And the queen and the king. This is the chess board. This is setting up for a chess game. I will not play the game. This video is about this room, but this is a chessboard, a very beautiful chessboard. Very nice. I will not play a game. That's for another video. But this is how you set the game of chess up. Let's continue to look around the room.
Yes!
Again, this is a light switch. This is a bird. It's a beautiful bird. This is a frame. This is a real bird and stuff. It's looking up. The head, the feet, these are the wings of the bird. This is art. Very beautiful. I'm getting down. I'm going to show you this other table. This is a big table. This is a small table. It's smaller. We have glasses. There are 4 glasses. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a plate. You eat from the plate. This is a fork. I put food on the plate and I eat the food with the fork. I'm putting the plate back. This is a knife. This knife is used to cut. This is a cutting board. I can cut food on this board using the knife. These are flowers. Nice flowers. These are real. This is a pot. This pot has soil for the flowers. I'm putting this back. This is Russian root beer. I am putting the Russian root beer back. This is a guitar. These are guitar strings. These are called strings. These adjust the strings. I cannot play the guitar. I am putting the guitar back. I am going to the bathroom. I will show you the bathroom. This room has a bathroom. This is the light switch to the bathroom. This is the bathroom light. This is a shower. This is a shower head. Water comes out. This is the shower door. I'm opening. I get inside and I close the door. This is nice. This is a towel. This temperature is hot. It heats the towel. There's hot water going up, over, and down. Very nice. This is a toilet. This is the toilet seat. I would sit on the toilet. No! Of course, I have clothes on. We're not going any further. This is controls the toilet so it flushes.
Ooh.
This is a toilet brush. You clean the toilet. This is a trash can. You put trash in the trash can. This is toilet paper. It's used when using the toilet. I put it back. This is a sink. This is a mirror. I can see myself in the mirror. This mirror is round. This is a razor. I shave my face with the razor. This is soap. It's in a package. I put the trash in the trash can, and this is soap. I wash my hands. I'm going to dry my hands on this towel. These are hooks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks. I put the towel on the hook. I am leaving the bathroom and I'm going to turn out the light. So I turn this light off. And this is the living room. This is the living room floor. This is tile. And this is heated tile. Underneath are pipes. This tile is warm. It's nice. This is a rug. A very nice rug. It's an octagon because it has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice rug. And this is the ceiling. These are ceiling lights. And these are walls. And I will put the chess set back. These are small doors. This is for the TV. Shelves. The time is now 8:35 and 30 seconds right now. 8:35 p.m. It's night. I think I've got everything in this room, in the bathroom. And this is an English lesson on what is inside this room. Thank you very much for your time. I am finished.